Welcome to the demonstration of TrailRunner Mini. When you start TrailRunner Mini, you see this map of the area where you're living. In the next screen, on the left side, you see all routes you have currently created. You can search for routes like this, or for an area, or whatever. If you select a route, you see the elevation profile and you see further details on how steep the route goes or whatever. Routes can be attributed here on the right side. You can rate routes, you can change colors, and you can write comments like this. When you want to create a new route, you click on the New button. And what you see here is help on how to create a route. You can select what kind of activity the route is and if it is a round trip or not. We'll get to that later. So the first thing I'll do is that I scroll to the location where I want to start. If you double click, you zoom into the map, which is much like this button here. By the way, this is the location where your Mac is currently located. This zooms to the optimum size of whatever is currently displayed here, and these are presets for different scales. So I'll further zoom in here, and TrailRunner Mini is heavily caching these map tiles, which you can see here. So next time you get here, the map tiles will already be there. So when you want to start a new route, you just click here on the first place, and then you click on the second location. You see that the route goes through the track network from openStreetMap to that location. Now let's get up to this hill and probably over here. So let's say we want to get back to the beginning. That's a round trip. So click on the round trip button here, and TrailRunner Mini automatically closes the route. This one is like 10 kilometers long, but we want to make it slightly longer. So we'll probably take that transit location and move it over here. The route is being recalculated. And looks like this. Notice that as we checked this route to be a round trip, it's automatically closed that way. If we want to insert another transit location, for example, we do not want to go this way, but we want to go over that way, just click on it and drag like you saw I was doing. And now the route is being realigned and like 11.5 kilometers long, which is pretty nice, and so we keep it. And here the route is. Another good thing you can do is, if you want to create similar routes, you click on one route and mark it. As you can see, the route now gets orange and the flag is also set here. So the interesting thing now is, if I select another route, this route is still visible in the map. Well, that route, you see, it's still visible. If I remove the flag, then it's gone. I could also click on any other route and display it, which is very convenient because then you can create similar routes which happen to be near the same range. When you have installed Dropbox on your Mac, all the routes that you see here on the left are automatically synchronized to your Dropbox cloud. When you download Race Bunny from the App Store and start it, and then go to Manual Planned Routes, Race Bunny will ask you to log into your Dropbox account. If you have linked your Dropbox account, you see all the routes, which you already also see here in TrailRunner Mini, inside of Race Bunny. For example, this route is the same as that one, and this route is the same as that one. So if I click on it, you see it on a map. If I click on Add, the route is placed as a background route to your map within Race Bunny. I can even select another route and add it. And if I go back to the main screen, I see both routes visible as background routes in the map. Now if you record a new course or track your current location, you can see if you are still following the route or not.